The government of Odisha on June 11, 2020 announced the cancellation of all final year UG and PG exams in the state. All universities and colleges have been asked to find alternate methods to score students. Odisha government has cancelled all the remaining final year examinations for various undergraduate UG and postgraduate PG courses in the state. The government has also added that it would select from the range of alternate methods to decide the merit of the students enrolled in the state colleges. The government informed that it would be following evaluation method recommended by the University Grants Commission UGC and publish the results of previous exams by August this year. Earlier, as per the order of the government, the schools and colleges in Odisha were asked to remain closed till July 31st, 2020. Odisha also saw many protests from the students when the authority informed about the offline examinations to be conducted after the situation in the state normalizes. This decision was taken in a meeting that was presided over by Higher Education Minister Arun Kumar Sahu. He, along with Vice Chancellor and principals of government-aided autonomous colleges, came with the solution to the problem of students' exams being conducted in the state in the time of pandemic outbreak. Odisha's Higher Education Department then asked all the state universities and autonomous colleges to promote students, providing them with average marks. The colleges also have the liberty to consider the marks obtained by the student in the past exams or semester or year and include the weightage of internal assessment as well. The department also asked them to follow the UGC recommended methodology for the evaluation process. The government of Odisha and Maharashtra has taken a huge step in view of the students' safety. But what about other states, where the effect of corona pandemic is too high, like in Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Telangana, etc.? Why these states want to conduct exam? Will they want the life of students in danger? Exams are not the proper criteria to judge the capability of a person. Exams are just a formality that every state government want to conduct in this type of situations. As a student or a parent, what are your point of view regarding the examinations in this situation? Please share with us in comment section below. If you are watching this video on Instagram, then follow our page, and if you are watching this on YouTube, then subscribe to our channel.